سلام، من بهار هستم. امروز میخوام بچه ها یعنی گربه هامو ببرم براشون واکسن هاری بزنم، چون که به زودی یه مسافرت در پیش داریم که باید گربه ها رو هم خودم ببرم. به خاطر همین احتیاج دارم واکسن بزنن و پاسپورت داشته باشن و اینا. امروز روزشه که ببرمشون واکسنشون رو بزنن. الان خودش اوردی نشسته توی کیفش اینجا. نه سلام کن، سلام کن. امروز بخیر بریم واکسن بزنیم، واکسن هاری. مسافرت در پیش داریم، بریم واسه خودمون اونجا. ولی نمیگم کجا میخوام برم دقیقا، که بعداً ببینید سورپرایز بشید. رومی نگاه کن، ساکاشونه که بذارم ببرمشون واکسن بزنم برشون. ببینم رومی خانم کدومشون رو انتخاب میکنه. رومی رومی بکنم چون که برفی توی اون بوده. رومی فعلا توی این نمیخواد بره. رومی خودش رفت توی اون ساک مشکیه. همیشه عادت داره برو توی اون، چون که بچگی هم که آوردمش همینجا بود، توی این ساک بود. به خاطر همین دیگه عادت کرده. رومی رومی سلام کن. رومی میخوایم بریم الان بیرون. این چی بود؟ آقا برفی هم میدونه چه خبره، به خاطر همین رفته زیر مبل قایم شده، نمیاد بیرون. برفی بیا بریم، باید بریم، میخوایم بریم مسافرت با هم. برفی هم توی کیفشه که بریم. رومی هم اینجاست. خوشحال نیست که گذاشتمش این تو، چون که میدونه چه کار میخوایم بکنیم، که میخوایم برای واکسن بزنه. به خاطر همین اینجوری ناراحته. گرفتم، فقط منتظریم الان که ماشین بیاد، تاکسی بیاد بریم. من هنوز نیومده. نه برفی، نه نگاه کن اینجوری میکنی. رومی هم الان چیز میکنه. برفی قرقرو، آقای قرقرو ببینمت. برفی قور میزنه همش. ماشین هم دیگه نزدیکه.
This in the back, please.
Back there.
Just to leave. Let's return this space. ماشین نزند.
فعلا اون سمت خیابون. تو من یه داستان بگم. چقدر عصبی بود. عصبی. من یه بذارم یه صندوق عقب گفتم بچه‌م برای چی بره صندوق عقب؟ پایین پام پیش خودم میگه اگه جا داشته باشه چی میگم جا داره. بعد گذاشته ضایع شد. گفتم بفرم. حالا بریم مواظب باشه عقب میاد. بیا. میاریمشون اینجا معمولا میاریمشون برای واکسناسیشون. واکسن هاریشون رو بزنن.
Lovely.
They've got their what it's called? Rabies vaccination.
Yeah, if you just want to take a seat whenever you're
Down
ready.
there,
Yeah,
Thank you.
perfect.
به اون گفت که منتظر بمونیم تا بیاد توی اتاق.
Hello.
Hi.
Come on in.
Hi. James?
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Hi.
Hello.
So you don't mind me recording of the chat, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The cats, that's fine. Now off to them to get the airport permit. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So do that.
Yeah.
We've got
But there
time.
wouldn't be any problem, right? Like
No, it should be just a formality.
formality.
Yeah, but yeah, it's better to ask now than turn up and just.
I know, right?
And say, no import permit. All right.
I
Who's
think
first?
it would be better to do Barfi first
Yeah, that's fine.
because he's always scared.
Are you moving there or are you holidaying?
For holiday for now.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
fair enough.
Just
Yeah.
holiday. Because I can't leave them like on their own and yeah, like I don't want them to be alone.
Yeah,
He's
that's
always
fine.
scared. He's always like crying.
Hello, Bobby, coming up. Yeah, it's a boy. Come on.
Do you want me to
Just
hold it?
actually, we'll pop this down on the floor. It's a bit easier. You ready? Come on, then. Good boy. There we go. That's a boy. There's your mum, right there. Good boy. Now, how has he been?
He's been alright. They were playing a lot yesterday. But yeah, it's always he's scared all the time.
همه چیز میترسه.
Boy. Does he go out? Do they go outside?
No. I mean, I took him outside one time and he was shivering, like literally shaking a lot.
Some
So
cats are a bit
scared.
like that. They don't
Yeah.
like the
He
outdoors.
didn't like it and I had to take him in. He didn't even stay like 15 minutes.
Oh, Buffy. Smile. Good. Nice teeth. Good boy. That's a good boy. He's a very good weight too. Is he a good eater or is he?
No,
No,
he's
he's a
really
fussy one.
fussy. He's like so picky. I buy him the premium ones as well, but then
Yeah, that's usually the way.
like he eats like you know fried chicken or like grilled chicken.
Oh.
He likes those kind of stuff.
He's a junk food addict.
Yeah. And like if I buy him like you know the Thrive and the Canagan,
Yeah.
he doesn't like it.
Oh, so just gonna get a new one. This one's seems done.
بچم ترسیده. الان به من پناه آورده. معمولا میره یه جایی، میره زیر مبلی جایی، یعنی الان هی میاد طرف من چون که ترسیده. نمیدونی برفی چی کار کنم. برفی سیانم بیا باشین بیا نگاه بخواه بری زیر لباسم عشقم بیا برو اینجا بیا برو اینجا سرت بکن اینجا بیا ماما نترس ماما اونجا نشون بده اونا نگاه کن چقدر گربه هست کارت گربه هاشون که ترین کردن نرو برفی نگاه کن رفت رو لباسم رفت داخل He's just trying to hide, like he's going inside there.
He doesn't like it. Feels a bit exposed on this table. Just going to read your number, mister. Here it is. Let's write this down.
اینجا چی نداره میفتی الان
Perfect. Right, so one little injection. And you can stay there with Mum, that's okay. Close your eyes. Good boy. All done. There we are. Oh, put this in the scales and then look away here. Okay, he can hop back in here. There we go. 375 anyways. Perfect.
3 کیلو و 75 گرم
Terrific. All
Thank
done.
you.
That's one done. Next one. Rummy, your turn.
She is kind of difficult
Oh, okay.
because I have to hold her. Like
That's
she's
fine.
like jumping and I always thought that she would be the one who is like, you know, more easier,
Yeah.
but she's dramatic.
That's okay, don't worry. I'm quite happy for you to hold her, it's no problem.
Yeah. But he's quiet, like he just stays there.
There you are, hello. Oh yeah, you're a bit braver, aren't you? Eh?
And she's curious.
Good girl. And she's been okay?
Yeah, she's been fine. She had allergy like since like a month ago,
Oh, okay.
but they gave medication and like
It's alright.
and yeah.
And so she's been fine?
Yeah, she's been okay. She hasn't had any problems. I've been giving her multivitamins and stuff. So
She eats okay?
yeah,
Yeah.
she's more than okay.
She looks like she is.
Yeah.
She's not fat though, mind you. She's just good.
No, she's gained weight, I think, because she's more chubby now.
Good girl. Yes, you are nosier, aren't you? Right, what's your number? Let's see what your number is. Ready? Where is it? Oh, there it is.
رومی خیلی بازی گوشه. دوست داره فضولی بکنه. چی هست؟ کجا برس؟ برعکس برفی. نه.
Has she been neutered now?
No.
No, that's fine. That's
Yeah,
just-
she was due, but then they cancelled the appointment because of the train stroke or something.
Oh,
yeah.
okay, no worries. What about Buffy? Has he been?
He has.
He has, no worries. That doesn't change. Just to let you know.
She's due, I think October, but I don't know when exactly. But
Yeah, that's fine.
yeah.
Oh, hello. There we are. Right, Ronnie, your turn now. Now, are you going to sit quietly there with your mum? Maybe, maybe not. Good girl. Very good. Yeah. You're okay. It's not hurting. It's not hurting. It's all finished. There you go.
Is it done?
Yep.
Oh well, that was fast.
Yeah, I thought she might not appreciate that. Here we are.
No, she's more dramatic than him. And she bites as well sometimes. Me, like she
Oh,
bites
does
me.
she?
Yeah, not like aggressively, but
But,
just
yeah,
like,
just-
you know, playfully and just
Defending.
Just
defending
a warning,
herself.
Yeah. Yeah, look, maybe you'd like one of these, would you?
Of course.
There you go.
Thank you.
What about you?
Thank you very
We
much.
forgot about you, didn't we? That's a bit mean. Right, you might like one. Hello. No, you're not coming out just yet. Oops. You're going to go home first. Here you go. Here, look. Come here. Here you go.
Yeah.
Not very
He
impressed,
never
is he?
takes no, he never takes treats.
Oh my goodness, you wolfed that down pretty quick, didn't you? Go on, one more. You're going to have to hold one now. Right, terrific. So, that's
Yes.
the vaccination's done.
Yeah.
So you cannot travel for a month, but that's
Of
fine, we've got
course,
plenty
yeah.
of time. And then put my name in there.
Okay.
And then what happens is, cool. Go on, yeah.
Do we need to wait?
Yes, we will. Now we might put you in your basket and then you can, because you're going to run around, I think. So let's see what this weighs first.
I think she wants to jump, but
Yeah, she does.
no, okay.
Oh, there you go. In you go. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Oh, you're almost the same weight. 375. Well, that's
She looks-
interesting. She looks bigger.
Yeah.
Well, he is a boy, so they're usually a bit heavier as a boy. So, right. Wait, no, I don't want to go there. You want to go up there? In fact, as soon as you jump up there, I'm going to go like this. And you're going to go in here. There you go. Going home now. In you go. No, don't be grumpy.
I'm sorry.
No, that's right. In. Oh dear. Oh, come on.
Tommy, biburu, biburu.
Come on, be good. No, don't be cranky. Actually, maybe
Yeah, we just no other choices.
you want to do it this way,
Yeah.
or yeah. There we are. That's
Sorry.
much better. Right here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There we are. Terrific. Cool.
Thank you.
Thank
No
you.
worries.
Thank you. Thank you. It's really
Thanks so much for that. Yeah, just reminded me.
so beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Oh, there's a oh look, talking of beautiful. How gorgeous is your cat? Yeah. You're very lovely. He's very gentle. Hello, gorgeous. What a beautiful cat.
Thank you. There.
Stunning.
Not always good, but
No.
they're nagging all the time.
Well, are any of us? That's
Anyways, have a lovely day.
And you. Bye bye.
Thank you, bye.
Bye.
Bye. So how much do I owe you guys?
So I just need James to put it through.
واکسنشون رو زدم رومی هم یه عالم گشتی اونجا بعدش هم نمیخواست بره توی ساکش چون که میخواست همونجا بمونه ولی خب دیگه چاره ای نداشت که بندازیمش توی ساکش Do you guys do like a personalized with the name tag, the color?
Yeah, so there's a catalogue just there.
Oh.
Let me show you.
Okay.
There's lots of different options. Oh, so that is lovely. So these are the red dingo options. And you can kind of just have a look through.
It's nice.
So I think red dingo is like the nicest quality.
Yeah.
They're not that much more, but also they've got like a bigger selection as well, so you can just look through.
So like in front of it would be the like that color.
Yeah, and then on the back
up.
it'll be your information, so you can choose whatever information you put on it as well.
بذاریم برای برفی. این.
Actually, this for Barfi. Because Barfi in my language means like snow. So
Yeah, this is the
it's
crystal.
silver color as well.
Oh,
so yeah.
sweet!
Yeah, so do it for 3 days. رسیدشم گرفتم حالا بعدا سرتیفیکیتش بیاد بعد یه سری تریتس براشون گرفتم جایزه که بریم خونه بهشون بدم یه مغز من نخورن گله بریم تا بعد
Have a lovely holiday with your cat.
Thank you, thank you. برم خونه که دیگه بچه ها رو بذارم بهشون تریتس بدم
چیز بعدی چیه؟ هلت سرتیفیکیت رو
بعدی باید برم اپلای بکنم برای هلت سرتیفیکیت که سرتیفیکیتش بیاد سریع انجام بدم. میبینمتون. خدافظ. چون اومدن خونه رومی هم اومد واسه خودش دراز کشید، یه عالمه هم غر زد به من که من چرا توی ساکم. الان میخوام غذا بخورن. برفی کوش. برفی دوباره رفت اون زیر، دوباره رفت زیر، قایم شد. برفی قشنگم. این نوش جونت. خیلی ایرادیه برفی، اصلا غذا نمیخوره. رومی